Cheers, everyone. Happy New Year. I'm in the Lamley studio, inside in the warmth because it's freezing outside. Having myself a little cocktail here on Monday night. Celebrating the new year. Lamley Awards are done. We'll celebrate the winners in a video here in the not too distant future. I've got some of the Carney displays up. Did some updating on those. Got, of course, some gaps to fill. Going to be doing a big Tomica Limited Vintage project this year, really. More on that later on. But I've got an unboxing to do, and this really speaks to the distribution that we've seen. Like many of you, I have seen empty pegs after empty pegs after empty pegs for both Hot Wheels and Matchbox. And if you're looking at the letters on this just came from Mattel. This is an A case. So this is going to be anticlimactic. In fact, I already opened it up because I was like, is this an A case or is this something else? I have not done an A case unboxing. An A case has been in stores for a while, but pretty sporadic if based on what I've seen and what I've heard from some of you. Now, just as a little teaser, I've got the Auto World, the next mix of Auto World Premium 2021 Release 5. I'll be opening that this week, so we'll get that out of the way. Very excited for that. But let's go ahead and open this up. I'm going to walk through an A case. You're going to go, I've seen all of this, and I'm going to say, so have I. Haven't really bought any yet, but I like to stay pretty on top of things once I get the unboxings, or when I get the cases to unbox. This is what I'm going to do. So let's just walk through these. If they're new models, I will tell you, but I think a lot of these have already been seen. So we start with a new model. We're going to know this is a mix of some 2021 and some 2022. The 2021 has the old card art, like this Liberty Walk. This one has the kind of the bigger Hot Wheels logo. It's kind of pushing off the sides of the card a little bit. But we'll start with this. This is Ryu's Rides. This is the Mighty K car. I think it's Key Car in Japan, designed by Ryo Asada. And we're going to be seeing all of the final castings done by Ryo Asada. We'll have this Ryo's Rides logo. Now, again, it's nothing new. You guys have all seen these. I've seen these in stores as well. But I still think it's cool. And we'll acknowledge them when I do the B case, the C case, and so on. I know that most of those who do the unboxing videos are well ahead of me. But we're doing what we're doing. There's the LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GTR version 2. We've already seen that recolor, and that is the Skull Crusher. I have no idea. Yeah, it looks to be new. Doing this with one hand. Just doing these quick videos now that are kind of fun. All right, Roadster Bite. There's no lots of R's there, so it's just the Roadster Bite. This is the custom small block, which is like a Lego car, right? We've already seen that one. And the Moto Wing. You guys can tell me if I pull the treasure hunt, if I don't see it. The Bad Bagger, that's kind of cool. We haven't seen that in a while. There is the Nissan Skyline, that's from 2021. And the Ram 1500 Rebel looks like it's new for this year as well. At least new color. Here's some new stuff. Again, I have really tried I've been a little bit out of the loop. So Mercedes-Benz A-Class, I've been so concentrated on 2021 with the Lamley Awards. Mazda Ripu, that looks awesome in orange. Hot Wheels logo on it, nice and clean. I really do like that one. Oh, look, it has the detail on the front. That's pretty nice. And then there's the Fire Eater. Honda we've seen, Ford GT we've seen, and the Chevy Silverado Off-Road I believe we've seen as well. I'm correct there. Aston Martin we've seen, Mod Rod we've seen, and the Nash, that is new. That's a new color, right? For 2021, Mod Rod, from last year as well. I had heard that there was going to be a GameStop event. We'll get caught up, right, in 2021 or 2022. We've seen that. That's the Chevelle. That's the Dark Knight Batmobile. That appears to be new. Oh, it's got kind of a... Oh, it's Treasure Hunt. There it is. Okay, another Batmobile Treasure Hunt. Seems like we're always getting those. Okay, so I'll put that off to the side. That's the Dark Knight Batmobile. And it's got like scratches or... Oh, it's got the Batman logo kind of done artistically. I'll get it figured out with the Treasure Hunt logo. All right, put that off to the side. That's kind of cool. Mustang we've seen. We haven't seen this one. Tuned Volkswagen Golf. This is very much Rio style. Let me get the lighting a little bit changed here so it's not too glary. Tuned Volkswagen Golf. Obviously, he's done a few of these tuned. I think we're going to see a couple more this year. And maybe some other designers will take over this project of doing the tune. That is pretty cool. I like that one. I'll put that off to the side. And always a hit for me. Always happy to see a Greenwood Corvette. One of my all-timers. There's that one. That's the first edition of the Greenwood Corvette. And I think we've seen it, right? Car Culture. We've seen it even in a convention model right there. And then we've seen it in basic quite a bit, but now we have another color. I collect this one. I don't care how it looks, what it looks like. This one looks pretty sweet, though, in black. So that one is definitely a highlight, along with the Golf. All right, that's the Batmobile from the new Batman. There's a Minecraft car. I think I've missed one under here. Yep. And then the Water Bomber. Mustang, Camaro, Ford GT, we've seen all those. I'll start going faster. Camaro, we've seen that. Hot Bird, we've seen that. And the Unimog, I think we've seen that as well. All of those. Challenger Drift Car, we've seen that. This is the Toyota A86 Sprinter Terreno. It's a little bit like, it's the same casting as that one that I opened on Reels and TikTok. And then the Bad Bagger again. So that we'll put that. I already think I did the A86 because it was seen in the Q case, wasn't it? A few of the A case models got into the Q case. All right. Here we go. New model. Definite highlight. One that you've already seen, but I'll just give it its treatment here. It is the Porsche 935. This is the electric 935, right? Brand new, kind of new version of the 935. Really clean, really cool. Love the wheels on it. Love the trim on it. Everything about it. Very cool casting. Obviously, it's a new licensed casting, so we'll take it. Pagani Huayra, that's from the last case. The 55 Chevy is from this case. If it had real riders on it, it would be the Super, but that is not the Super. Okay, Muscle and Blown, that's from 2021. There's the Mighty K once again, and the Giotero. We've seen all those. Honda we've seen. Shelby we've seen. The car de Asada, the taco car, Rio's Rides. That one's beat up a little bit. That is new deco for that one. I think it debuted last year, and it's a Rio Asada design. Cool that they're just everything he's done, they're putting the logo on. There's the Dodge Challenger again, the Fire Eater, and 85 Honda City Turbo 2. That was a clearly anything Honda, you can pretty much bet it's going to be Rio. Okay, Twinnin' and Winnin'. There's the Range Rover Classic from last year and the Bubble-Matic, another Rio design. We're just going to see Rio tributes rolling in. This is, it takes a while to turn these cars around. So Rio, I think, passed away in March. And so, they can't just, you're not going to see something days or weeks later. It's going to be months, if not years, before they can do these tributes. And there's some really cool stuff coming. There's the Toyota GR Super, recolor in yellow, Batmobile, and the Fast Gassin. Haven't seen that one in a while. Chevelle, Muscle and Blown. There's the Unimog in a pretty destroyed blister. All things we've seen. Maybe the Indy 500 Oval we've seen too. There's the Golf again. There's the Let's Go. Is that a Rio's Ride? No. And the whatever called the Water Bomber once again. Another one of those LB silhouette, blah, 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 and the standard cart. That's, I guess, same color, but right, it's new for 22, or at least it's a new version for 22. And there's the Batmobile. Yeah, the shoot looks like the Batmobile is just a holdover from 21. All of those you've seen, right? This is kind of a, for waiting this long, that's a pretty, I don't know. I mean, there's some good cars in there, but it's a pretty boring case. But we're done. That is the A case, all done. Highlights. This seems like this was years ago. It was actually last year for sure. Porsche is definitely the highlight in terms of the new models, right? And maybe there's something else that should have been in there. I like the Golf. That'll be in the licensed Lamley Awards at the end of 22, but I'll say the Greenwood is my favorite. You guys tell me what you think. There's your A-Case unboxing. It's all done. There's just some other cool stuff. I'm going to head on out. Happy New Year, everybody. Cool stuff to come. Bye.